The radiant flowers of the beautiful gerbera are highly prized for indoor decoration, either in a bouquet, in a vase, or as a potted plant. And, however, there are new varieties that have been recently developed which are suited for outdoor cultivation. So far, cultivated varieties of gerbera were not considered outdoor plants. However, today there are new varieties that can thrive in planters, outdoors, in containers, but also in the ground. Frost resistance is up to -10 degrees. Gerberas are beautiful in pots, planters or containers. They can also be grown in the ground as perennials. The gerbera is a plant with roots go deep, an advantage for surviving the winter outdoors, provided it has the opportunity to root in well-draining soil. I recommend to successfully grow Gerbera Garvinea, properly digging a hole at least 30 centimeters deep with clay pebbles at the bottom for drainage. A very useful and extremely effective drainage system to prevent the taproots from rotting in winter. Then fill hole with mix of soil, compost and organic fertilizer. Soak pot for few minutes before planting. Pour approximately 3 to 4 liters of water at the bottom of the hole to encourage the gerbera to draw moisture from deep down. Plant the gerbera carefully, ensuring the leaves are exposed. They should not be buried to avoid rot. Firm the soil around the root ball, then water gently the base without wetting the center. Gerbera Garvinea are hardy plants down to -10 degrees with one condition. Protect the base, especially if you live in a cold region with ramial chipped wood, wood chips or fern leaves. Elsewhere you can leave it in the ground, and in the spring you will be assured to see the flowers and leaves re-emerge from the soil for a new bloom.